over this stupid.
Just hit it a couple extra times. Just hit it a couple extra times to make you think that you... It's not gonna get any bigger.
Ooh. Race car. Wow, it's quiet now. What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be installing an anti-roll bar for the front and end links. Now this is all I got for the fronts. I might get some more stuff. There's other stuff that I can get. Thanks to Holly Performance Detroit Speed for sending me all new suspension. And yeah. So we got the car on the lift. I'm gonna show you guys something. So if you look at my exhaust, there's a dent right here. I was driving and I hit a turtle and killed the turtle and dented my exhaust about 3 years ago, something like that. Yeah.
Sometimes those things are under pressure.
You look weird with that. Don't get my arm.
You only have your forehead.
Don't get my armpit in here. It's a word. Stop.
The bar. No.
No, I know, but it's not coming out.
Try pushing up the bar.
I got it. Maybe I should go over here. Hey, get on. Stupid. Fucking. Like, don't. Oh! Yeah. How do you look at me like that?
It's just a goof.
You know what that is?
What?
That's dropping the mic.
Well, that was...
Yeah, just me dropping the mic. So how do we... There's... How are we gonna get in there? What am I doing wrong? Why can't I get this off? Am I getting it?
Yeah, keep going. If you're going, I can't see your hands in the way. No, I don't think you were.
Yes, I was. So stupid. Oh my god, bro. I didn't need it.
Just hit it a couple extra times. Just hit it a couple extra times to make you think that you got it. You okay?
I hit my head.
It's not gonna get any bigger. See, we have to reuse all this stuff.
Big head, big brain. Small head,
or
small
just,
brain.
or really just hollow.
It's not hollow, bitch. It's cement.
Come on, hurry up.
Give me that.
What do you need this for?
No, I need the other thing. Where'd it go?
Put it in your damn back pocket when you're done with it.
Well, you put it in your pocket.
Because you just throw it on the ground. You want to try this?
God, my head hurts.
Hey, you could take those things off if you want to, or take them towards the.
I'm going on the oil.
That's why they did it. Look at the video. Did they not? Watch the video
I
again.
don't like that. So sketch.
Spin it forward. No, stop.
Okay, now let's go with the. It's cold.
Can I put it outside your head now? Or just open it up and go in?
This side.
No, the other side.
What? Listen, bitch. What am I supposed to do with that?
Oh, all right. So your motor runs are way different than mine. Okay.
I think I have one. You have a couple, or you have an extra one?
I think I have an extra one. Is this one?
Did this truck come with one?
You stopped scratching the thing. Did you get it? No. I did.
It's not like you can even see it.
How does it leak?
It's like this, right?
One on the bottom too.
Mm-hmm.
Does it say the instructions?
You did it in a
Yeah,
second.
it's the second one. Yeah, and then tighten the other one. Oh, yeah. There you go.
So we just finished the front suspension parts. The back is pretty much done, but we have the wrong sway bar, so it doesn't fit. I might have to get something else, or we're gonna get a new one. I don't know. I gotta email the company, figure that out. But stay tuned for the back suspension pieces, because that will be up when I get the new sway bar. And all the directions are on paper, so you get everything. Pretty self-explanatory, so yeah. I will leave the links down below if you guys are interested in anything. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.